So I pulled the headers off. I've shown you, and some of you may have noticed that the fuel lines and the oil lines are insanely close to each other. While I'm drifting, even though it was barely with any power, it's still like in the back of my mind, like because of all the fires that have happened, all those other things in general, it has just spooked me out that this hot header is right beside the fuel line and the oil lines. A bunch of people told me when they're wrapped, it's okay, it's fine, you don't need a big deal. But just because of my situation and the mistakes I've made, I wanted peace of mind. So I sent the headers out to get coated. Jet hot. It's upside down right now. Already opened the box. Couldn't really wait. I was being really impatient. I came in yesterday night. I wanted to do this in the morning. And so let's pop this open and I'll show you what I got. The shipping packaging is on point. Woo! Oh, I like that. I like that. Wish I had a little bit better lighting. I wished I used this lighting in the first place, but alright. So this is Jet Hot's 2500 extreme heat coating. I went overkill with it. This is the best one you can get. It stands up to 2500 degrees. So this is just a ceramic top coat. I'm not exactly sure what's on the inside. Get these out now. Dun, 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 dun. That looks nice. I like that. Let's see. Screw this back on really quick. I think it hit the floor. Headers are in. Both sides. I have all the oil lines tightened up over there. At least I hope. That's what testing I was anyways for. Still have to fill this up with oil. Still have to fill this up with water. And I have to move this hose around. I only had it set up wild like that for the tuning because we just wanted to get it done quick and easy. Probably just gonna wrap it all the way around here. A little ghetto, but it's better than that.